आता खबरो विस्तारान. फाटली 24 वरां राज्यांत खंयच पावस झळकल्लो ना आनी खंय पावस पडपाची शक्यताय ना. मात येवपी 5 दिसांनी चुकून माकून खंय पावस पडूं येता अशी माहिती पणजे हवामान खात्यान दिल्या. आरडीएक्सको खातीर पणजेच्यान विलियम रॉड्रिक्स.
Goa has not received any rainfall during last 24 hours, and there is no specific system to give weather over the Goa. So we are expecting that next 24 hours weather will be mainly dry, and for next 5 days some isolated rains, very light rain at one or two places may occur, but good rainfall is not expected during next 5 days. This year till date in the monsoon 2355 millimeter rainfall has occurred over Goa state, which is minus 16% of the normal rainfall. So we are although within the normal range, but on the negative side, because up to plus minus 19% it is normal, and beyond that it is deficient. So it is just better than deficient, but it is in the normal, but very much in the negative side, minus 16% till date. But we are expecting that some rainfall will take place because monsoon will end by the 30th of September. So this may be little bit covered.
So does this affect any paddy fields for the rain season?
It's not going to affect much because the main water's requirement for paddy is July and August. During those periods we have got good rainfall, and one or two spells are required at the time of maturing of crop. So we are expecting that after 5 days some 1 or 2 spells of rainfall will come, and that will be helping our paddy crop. So the paddy crop will be not having any problem. Humidity will be there, but now it is very reduced, because we have seen that yesterday there was fog. So that fog is an indication that humidity, the temperature has gone down. So due to fog the humidity settles. So that decreases the humidity. So humidity is also less now. So as the Ganesh festival is starting from tomorrow, I wish all the best for all our people who are celebrating Ganesh festival. Weather will be very good for them, and since the next 24 hours we are not expecting any rain over Goa, so they can enjoy the Ganesh festival very well.